Welcome! In front of me I have ASUS Zenfone 7, and today I will show you how easy you can apply tempered glass on your display. So let's start, and at the first you have to prepare the good source of light. Like in my case, as you can see, I can spot a very mess that I have on my display. So there's the first very important thing. Next you have to prepare your tempered glass. So as you can see, in my case there is the full screen tempered glass. And also I get here wipes, wet and dry. At the first we are going to use this one. And also if you carry something like that, in some cases you will be able to find it in your box with tempered glass. The dust absorber, the stickers that we can very easily remove dust from the screen. So I will show you how we can use it, but at the first let's clean our display. Let's use wet one at the first. And now just make gestures like that in the circle. So when your display looks good, you have to move to the dry one. We'll finish cleaning with this one. So just put it like that and make gestures like that. So we have to basically clean everything that we have on the display. It's very important. Okay, and I think that right now this screen looks really good. So let's grab our dust absorber and open it like that. And you have to take a look closely to your display. I will zoom in a little bit. And as you can see here I got something, so just make it like that. As you can see, it's very simple. You have to remove every dust that you have on the screen, because when you put on it the tempered glass you will get the air bubbles, and this is not good. So we want to avoid this thing. Okay, I think that right now this display is in a really good condition, so I can simply move to my tempered glass. And what is also important, that if you have something like the case, it will be much easier to put your glass to the good position. So just put on your case just like that. I will zoom out a little bit. Okay. Oh, here I get to just touch my screen and something is on it. Okay, right now it's fine. So let's grab your tempered glass, and you have to use this sticker to take it off like that. Try to do it slowly, and there we are. So basically we have to put this glass like that. Just put it like that. You have to keep holding the bottom part. Okay, I think that I can put it just like that. And right now, as you can see, when we slide like that, it will go almost automatically. So we don't even have to do anything, because it goes just automatically. Here we can push it. If you got the air bubbles, you can remove them by using your fingernail. Like in my case, as you can see, it works really good. Right now we can use your dry wipe another time to clean your tempered glass. And as you can see right now, it looks really good. So we can open our device and use it. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.